Boom, what's good YouTube? It's your boy WAX1 back with another video. Out here finna get it in. Y'all see it's 5:52 in the morning. It's 5:52. Your boy just got off work at 5 o'clock and drove up to the court. On my way to the court, it was raining, but I promised myself that I was gonna get this video out. Now the video today, the idea got canceled because it's raining, so I can't move as fast outside. Y'all know what I'm saying. So I'ma just make 100 shots. The days it rained when I was younger, the days it rained outside, what I did was just make 100 shots. It ain't gotta be crazy or nothing, you know what I'm saying? It ain't gotta be like, you ain't gotta, you know, just as long as you get some in, y'all know what I mean. But yeah, I'm gonna try to be done shooting probably like at 6:30. Y'all can see the ground wet, so your boy not capping about that. So yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all like my other 2 videos, or if y'all haven't already seen it, go make sure to watch that and run the videos up. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you're new to the page. And yeah, man, WAX1, let's get it. I know y'all probably like this little nigga crazy.
These niggas got this shit twisted. If you want some, you gotta go get it. Ain't nobody gon' hand that shit to you. Yeah, your bitch might get fucked in. Somebody you love might do some snake shit. But as long as you true to yourself, and as long as you real with yourself, in the end you'll never lose. Bring you closer, turning colder. Sometimes my life feels frozen. Never sober, heart of a soldier. I wonder why I'm broken. Rid of feelings, I don't feel it. Tear me down, but I won't let it get to me. Sky's the limit, not the healing. Enough talking, I hope that you're listening. She wanna talk about problems, whatever she wants, she know that I got her. Play with my heart like a doctor. And I got some niggas that really told choppers. Niggas be still at the bottom and stay on their ass, won't get to the top. I really like counting them dollars. You making me mad, I need you to stop. I know, you can't see or feel it. As a man, I can't be in my feelings. Rather you not be all in my business. Can you please just love me from a distance? Bring you closer, turning colder. Sometimes my life feels frozen. Never sober, heart of a soldier. I wonder why I'm broken. Rid of feelings, I don't feel it. Tear me down, but I won't let it get to me. Sky's the limit, not the healing. Enough talking, I hope that you're listening. I hope that you're listening. I hope that you're listening. I'm still trying to provide for my people. She always asks me, she like, why I don't see you? Probably cause I don't believe you. Still got niggas that'll ride for some sneakers. If you not ready, niggas, stay in the bleachers. No, we don't fuck with no leeches. Some these people just like rats, that's why you set a trap. Any bitch I had, I probably never won't get back, that's cap. We explorers, some like door, we don't forget no map. Just like old lady sent front row at church, that boy got clapped. Nigga barely made it, he was thanking God like Marvin Sapp. She always wanna call me on the phone, I feel his tap. Next week his partner's baptized, they ain't even had no strap. I always tell him that's fine, even when I want to snap. 1 year can change your whole life, we ain't got time for napping. He froze up in that crunch time, he told his boys he lagging. Bring you closer, turning colder. Sometimes my life feels frozen. Never sober, heart of a soldier. I wonder why I'm broken. Rid of feelings, I don't feel it. Tear me down, but I won't let it get to me. Sky's the limit, not the healing. Enough talking, I hope that you're listening. 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 I hope that you're listening.
I'm different. I know I'm different, but I gotta keep putting out the music because I don't feel like y'all know that shit. I want y'all to feel it.
You're so lazy. Always the vision of playing where I would land. Molding myself every day to be a better man. And who would've thought I speak my life like I can? Who would've thought they look at me like I'm the man? When I roll the windows down. And somehow I'm thinking about you. I don't know if you know me now, but that never changed you in my view. I only speak that real shit, cause real shit is what I deal with. We got real clips, extended clips is what we drill with. How the fuck I show you loyalty and you still switch? How the fuck is you in love with me, but you still his? Body drive in my city, mob ties in my city. Yo clip hold 30, but eyes hold 50. Moms cry in my city, let's just die in my city. I call you to eat, but never to die with me. I've been thugging on my own since the jit. I'm still on that fuck shit, I just added common sense. Cause these days, niggas be worried about a bitch. And these days, I'm only worried about getting rich. And I found my way out. Can't let these niggas take it from me. Stay safe out. I don't believe you really love me. My safe house, the only place I'm feeling lovely. I hate how this shit has turned out to be. Always the vision of playing where I would land. Molding myself every day to be a better man. And who would've thought I speak my life like I can? Who would've thought they look at me like I'm the man? When I roll the windows down. And somehow I'm thinking about you. I don't know if you know me now, but that never changed you in my view. Mama tired of working that graveyard shift. Fuck the police, I swear y'all don't know the pain y'all give. Try to take me from my fam, that's the way y'all live. Fake people all around, I can't say y'all real. It ain't easy, coming up from poverty. Pops told me it was someone else's property. I need loyalty, that's something that mean a lot to me. Big bro told me just stay in that pot for me. See, mama's crying, niggas dying, that's just who he is. And if they slide, then we slide and we'll do it again. Mama said no more jail time, I can't do it, kid. And I said no more bail bonds, they on some stupid shit. My people die and we ride, call us foolish kids. But it's a crime to tote that iron while they killing shit. And I be down to divide eye before I see my kid. It's gonna be eye for an eye, don't care who you is. Vision of playing where I would land. Molding myself every day to be a better man. And who would've thought I speak my life like I can? Who would've thought they look at me like I'm the man? When I roll the windows down. And somehow I'm thinking about you. I don't know if you know me now, but that never changed you in my view.
See what time I finished for y'all boys. See what time. Damn, 6:33. I'm 3 minutes off, so y'all do the math on that. I said I was gonna make 100 shots in about 6:30, but your boy 3 minutes off ain't too bad. I ain't gonna lie, I'm still getting back in my mode. The younger me, come on, bro. I ain't even trying to sound like an old head, but like the younger me would have hit 100 shots. You feel me? By by 6:20 or some shit. I'm still trying to get right. Yeah, bro. What do I want to talk about? Well, it's not even none that I want to talk about for real. If y'all watch this video, like I said in the last one, I'm very thankful. If I can do it, you can do it. Bro.
They say you on your way, but I ain't even begun. I just say a few words for fun. I got a fetish for big ass guns. Better watch where you walk or be ready to run. In the back with a black and a big ass Mac. I need the cheese. How you right on your peeps?